and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how you can make a very simple body butter at home using completely non-toxic ingredients. We're going to be using shea butter, jojoba oil, and rosehip oil. This is the easiest thing to do. So you can stop buying those toxic creams and lotions and make your own at home. It only takes a few minutes and it is way more nourishing for your skin. I've used 1 cup of shea butter and I'm going to show you in a second how to melt it. I've used 3 tablespoons of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is really compatible with our skin. And then I've used 3 tablespoons of rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is great because it helps to even out skin tone. And if you are someone who's dealing with hyperpigmentation, it can be really helpful. This is known as the double boiler method. And I have my heat on low and I am slowly melting the shea butter. Once it's a little more liquid, I will take it off the heat because the rest of it will melt, and then I'll add in the oils. It's okay to have a couple of chunks when you go and you take this off the stove. We have our shea butter here all nice and melted. I'm going to add in the jojoba oil. There we go. The rosehip oil as well. And here you can add in some essential oils if you like as well. So into this batch, I'm going to add some lavender. So I'm just going to put in a whole bunch of drops of lavender. And then you just mix it up. The next step is you want to put this in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes till it thickens, and then you're going to whip the butter. Quick little note about sourcing ingredients. When you're sourcing ingredients, do your best to find organic. So you want to find organic, unrefined shea butter. You want to find high quality oils. Personally, I love the oils from Love & Rose. They're all organic, cruelty free, and top of the line. So these are the oils that I like to use, but make sure that you find stuff that is high quality. If you want to check out the Love & Rose oils, make sure that you check the captions below because I do have a discount code for you. All right, here we are at the final step. I've got my butter here ready to go. Smells really good. And I've got my hand blender. So now all I have to do is whisk the butter. Now, the final step is to actually put it into a container. So I'm just gonna scrape it off the hand mixer and put it into this little mason jar that I have that is the perfect size for this. All right, so this particular blend is perfect if you're dealing with dry skin, acne, any kind of scarring. If you're pregnant, this is actually a really good mix to use for those conditions. And I'm so excited to try this. It was a good touch for me to put the lavender essential oil in because it actually has like this nice, light, beautiful scent. So it goes into the container pretty easily. And yeah, I'll show you in a moment what it looks like all done. This little recipe didn't take long at all. And it's one of the easiest things you can do for yourself. Getting away from buying all of the stuff that's out on the market these days that's full of additives and just preservatives and fillers and things that you do not want to be putting onto your skin, because your skin is your largest organ and everything that you put onto your skin goes into your bloodstream. So this is a win-win for your health. Here it is in the jar, ready to go. I'm so excited to try it. There's really nothing easier than making your own body butters at home with clean ingredients. This is the perfect blend to use if you're dealing with dry skin, acne, eczema, or going through pregnancy. If you're dealing with keratosis pilaris, this is a great blend to use as well. Make sure that you check the links below so that you can pick up my favorite oils from Love and Rose. There is a discount link there for you. And if you are interested in starting on your own health journey, addressing the root causes of autoimmune conditions and parasites, check out my membership, Elevate. It is an amazing community, an amazing support system when you are on your health journey. Share this video with anyone you think would be interested in making their own body butters at home. And please let me know in the comments if you give this recipe a try. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.